Everybody that's been wanting to see my real hair, I got you, girl. I got you. Like, here it is. She's alive and thriving, just looking oh so luscious and oh so good. Like, hey y'all, this is All of Destiny, and in this video I'll be showing you all how I shampooed, conditioned, blow dried, and flat ironed my hair to get it to look like this. I only use one brand of products, so I guess you can also say this is a one brand hair tutorial, like one brand of makeup, but instead I'm doing one brand of hair products. The CHI Keratin Revamp Kit. It comes with the shampoo, the conditioner, the leave-in conditioner, as well as the Silk Infusion. I purchased this at Marshall's. I was buying these items individually, and I ended up seeing this kit, and I was like, shoot, like I added up the prices of me buying these things individually. I was like, I may as well get the kit, you know, all of the stuff in one, and it was only $24.99. And for everybody that's been wanting to see my own hair, here you are, girl. Here you have it, okay? Pretty much took down my braids really quickly, combed it through and everything like that, just to get all the tangles out. And I like to kind of have my hair going straight forward. That way it's not like tangled or anything, and I got it going in the direction, that same direction that I'm going to be shampooing my hair in the sink. Yep, I shampoo my hair in the kitchen sink. So yeah, definitely just shampoo and condition yours wherever you think it's best. I've tried to do it in the shower before, but it's just like super messy, especially filming. It's a hot mess because you got the camera open, or you got the shower curtain open because you're trying to film, and then yeah, behind the scenes water gets everywhere. So kitchen sink it is. So I use the Head & Shoulders Clinical Solutions Dandruff Shampoo, and I really like this one because it helps to relieve my scalp of itch, irritation, redness, flaking, just all that stuff that's associated with dandruff, girls. So you'll see me alternate between using my fingertips, the red shampoo brush, and then that pink one is a shampoo and massage brush. If you all follow me on Instagram, then you saw my haul where I went live showing the products that I purchased a few days ago. I'm giving it a thumbs up because I was really liking the way that this brush was making my scalp feel. It kind of felt like a Demon brush, like pretty much if you brushing a Demon brush along your scalp after days of it itching really bad, and then you finally wash your hair, that's what that felt like. And then the shampoo brush, the bristles on that one, well, they're not really bristles, but the little spikes that stick out, those on that one kind of reminded me of a diffuser because they're larger. So now we're finally going in with the Keratin Shampoo. And this one pretty much says that it's the CHI Keratin Shampoo. It replenishes and protects hair's natural keratin protein, improving elasticity and preventing future breakage while adding intense hydration that restores softness and shine. Directions say to apply a generous amount into wet hair, work throughout the hair evenly from scalp to ends, and then you rinse and repeat if desired. I definitely desire to repeat, so I'm going to wash my hair with this twice. I really love the shampoo. I wish that I wouldn't have used the Head & Shoulders first, because I know some people may want to know if it lathers on the first time, but I don't really judge the quality of a shampoo based on if it lathers up or not, as long as it gets the job done. Now, after my 2 times of shampooing, I didn't record the second time, I'm going to go ahead and apply a generous amount of the keratin conditioner. I really like the conditioner. I was able to kind of detangle my hair with this conditioner as well. Like, it gave me a little, it wasn't the most amazing slip you probably ever felt, but I could get my hair from, I could brush through it from, you know, the roots to the ends. So that was good enough for me. I followed the instructions and left it on for 3 to 5 minutes. So this is just the shed hair from this wash day routine. I did get a small amount on the shampoo brush. I don't think the brush was ripping at my hair. That's probably just from the detangling that I was doing, taking out some of the shed strands anyway. It's just something about the lighting that I don't like. I can't seem to figure it out, but I'm just gonna go ahead and roll right along with it. So I went ahead and rinsed my hair out in the shower. It's almost dry. Right when I kind of squished my hair up under a hat to go and run and get one of those universal ones, my brother was like, I have some tape. So I was like, shoot, let me get it. Managed to rig this up. I still have the comb attachments that came with my previous blow dryer. So this, I'm hoping I'm gonna get the same silky results I used to get. So at this point, it feels really good. Now I'm gonna go ahead. Oh, by the way, I'm filming in my restroom. Yeah, I was watching some of my older blow dry, flat iron, just hair tutorials that I used to film in my restroom or in my bathroom, and I'm just gonna be honest, they got a good amount of views. I'm hoping this video does well. Not only that, but by the time I try to set up everything in my room, it's more of a struggle for me to straighten my hair in there, to try to sit in that still little spot. This mirror is huge. I can just get everything done that I need to get done. I know it may seem like I'm spraying a lot, but by the time I spray it, and only that comes out, like, I'm limiting myself to at least only use the other 2 products that came in the CHI set, which is the leave-in conditioner and then the Silk Infusion. Let's get some clips. And as of right now, I'm just trying to get my hair into the sections, and then I worry about detangling. And most times I do come on camera without my hair detangled or anything. It just looks like way shorter than what it really is. But let me comb it out first, girl. Hold on. And then I'm gonna go in now with the Keratin Silky. You know what? I didn't read the instructions. Spray evenly throughout the hair and leave in. Proceed with styling, not tested on animals. Okay. Silk Infusion says, apply a small amount into the palm of your hand. Work evenly through the hair. Leave in and proceed with styling. It doesn't say whether to use on damp or dry, so I'm just going to take about a dime size amount, and I'm going to do that on each individual section. My hair feels really good and clean. Fingers crossed that this works. The reason that I like this one, if y'all have seen any of my older blow drying videos, is because it's like a double layer pick. So you see the black here, but then there's also red in between that, and it just gets my hair really straight, especially when I have a lot of new growth. I'm 11 months post. I'm gonna start on low, then I'll work my way tight and blow dry straight. For some reason, it feels like it's a film on my hands. I don't know. Maybe after I wash my hands, then I'll be able to see. But as of right now, that's what it feels like. It's so clean, so fresh and so clean. The amount of new growth I have just shrinks my hair right up. Look at that. I'm gonna apply another dime size amount of the CHI Silk Infusion. Really less than that. Rather just have some sort of product on my hair for protection and actually having my hair last for a while than to not put anything on my hair. My ends began breaking off. I don't want my videos to be full of a bunch of disclaimers. I feel that that takes away from the video, me kind of explaining in preparation of what I assume a comment may be, instead of just doing my hair the way that I would like and then allowing everyone else to do the same at home. So no more disclaimers. Let's wash my hands really quick, that way I can let you all know, because it feels like a film, but I feel like if the film is on my hands, I can't tell what my hair feels like. So hold on. So this isn't from the Keratin line, but I am going to apply some of this to my hair, but it is still by CHI, the 44 Iron Guard. Whew. Forgot about the thumbnail. Something out of that should be good. Start from the back, and I'm just gonna work my way to the front. I really don't like to clip my hair because I can just keep moving when I'm not clipping it and unclipping it, clipping it and unclipping it. I'm gonna do my edges at the end. If you're new, I keep talking when I said I need to shut up so I don't have to do too much editing. I'm using the chasing method on my hair, and it's pretty much where you guide the flat iron with a comb just to get like really straight results, you know. And then also my flat iron is by CHI. It's the CHI Air. I got it for Christmas a few years ago from my dad. What up, Dad? It doesn't have a temperature dial, by the way, just an on and off switch. Oh, I'm done with the back. Okay, so I saved one entire section to do for you all on camera while I was like doing my hair off camera because the battery died on me. I said, you know what, let me watch one of my old videos. I have an old flat ironing video. They got like almost like 330 something thousand, 300K plus views. And I was like, what did I do? Like, why does this one have so many? But I think I'm coming to the conclusion that despite new people finding videos when they search them, my subscribers just like to see me doing my hair. My hair meaning not really my wig reviews. I don't know. I hope that you all are happy to see me straightening my hair. Yes, girl, she's straightening her hair today. When I do my hair, I do like to take really small sections. I'm gonna take the time to go ahead and talk to y'all while we do this. That way I don't have to do no more voiceover stuff. I struggle with voiceovers. I hate them. When I do my hair, if I'm going to straighten my hair, ooh, then I'm going to go ahead and straighten it. If I run it through a section and I don't feel that it's as straight as I would like, I'm going to run it through that section again. Like, if you're about to straighten it, you know? I don't want my hair looking like I only blow dried it. Plus, I have really fine hair. Really, I don't have to do that many passes. And as long as I kind of just take my time, see how that was in real time, like really slow, then my hair, it gets nice and straight. And as far as my scalp goes, I was using the Wild Growth Oil. My 4 weeks ended on, I think, the 13th or the 14th. I don't remember, but I haven't really used it since then. Maybe once or twice I have. With a style like this, most likely I won't be putting that Wild Growth Oil on my scalp because it's just kind of heavy. My hair kind of light, so I don't want that, but I am going to put something on my scalp. You all tell me sometimes, hey, don't put so much on your hair. It needs to be light and flowy. But girl, I got dandruff. I can't play no games with my scalp. I get that the movement and all of that is nice. At this point, I'm just trying to care more so for the health of my hair. I'm just to the point now where I'm kind of really stressing over if someone else sees it. Because I kind of see what my hair is doing and I can feel it and touch it. Anyways, because I feel like I'm doing disclaimers. I said I was done doing disclaimers. As far as the film that I was saying was on my hair, that I felt was on my hair after applying the CHI leave-in conditioner and then the CHI Silk Infusion, whatever it is, it gets activated, I guess, as I flat iron my hair, and so it's leaving it like really silky. It wasn't really a problem to me. I only just mentioned it because this is something that I haven't tried before, so I wanted to let you all know kind of what it felt like, what it smells like, all of that stuff. As far as the smell, well, I didn't really put it up to my hand and smell it. As a biology major, and then I had like a lot of chemistry classes as well, we used to have to sign like forms in lab saying that we won't smell and taste the chemicals. But with hair products and stuff being chemicals, I've kind of grown to the point where I don't take a chemical and be like, it smells like I just don't do that. I don't know, but as far as just smelling it from the air, it does have a nice fresh clean scent to it, using all of the same products that will probably last me a little bit, but probably not though, because I'm flat under my hair. Anywho, I'm gonna shut up now because I don't know what I'm talking about. I used to talk more in my videos, my older videos, than I would doing voiceovers. As I said earlier, I hate doing voiceovers. So in the comment section down below, if you all are still watching, plus that'll let me know how far you all watched for those that may comment to my question. Let me know if you have a preference, if you prefer voiceovers, or if you like when I talk directly as I'm doing right now to you all, because I feel that it's more personable. Y'all can hear me chatting and whatnot. I just have to pick and decide what's what. Trying to get really close to the root. Make sure that my hair is nice and straight. Once I finish, because I know I haven't mentioned it yet, I probably mentioned it in the intro, but I haven't filmed the intro yet, so I don't know what I said. I'm about to run to Supercuts. I'm hoping that she's going to let me film. And then I'm about to go ahead and get a haircut. That's what I'm about to get done. And I'm done. And in real time, that took 6 minutes and 41 seconds. But I'm going to edit it down because that's what I do. Before I lay the edges or anything, I'm going to just let y'all look at it. And I changed my shirt because I realized that I had on one that was like, I don't know, y'all probably couldn't see that well. And this is the side. I really like it so far. Like, it's really nice and silky. I think it's gonna look even better once I go get this trim really quick. I'm hoping that the lady that did my trim, if you all aren't new to my channel, then y'all seen a long time ago when I got a trim and I had filmed it and I sat down talking about it and stuff. I actually filmed the video on my phone, I remember. I didn't film it then, I just told you all about the trim. So today when I go, I'm gonna ask her, I'm gonna say, hey, like, can I film you doing this for my YouTube channel? And I hope that she says yes, girl. She gonna be like, what? I don't care about your YouTube channel. I'm still gonna get the trim done regardless if she says yes or no, because I do need it. It's nice and flowy. These products are amazing together. Look at my hair. Oh my goodness. To keep this video from being so long, I'm making a separate video on my hair trim. What you doing? Not that high up. Back like that and forward like that. Now we ready for Instagram, right? Like, I like it a lot. I should have put it to that side, huh? So that is pretty much how I got my hair all nice and flowy and straightened and pretty. I'm glad that I did do this video because I think before this I only had my hair straightened a month ago when I uploaded that to my channel, but before that month ago video, it was probably like when I searched All of Destiny blow dry flat iron on YouTube. I was getting results for like 2 years ago, 3 years ago, 1 year ago. So it was like, Destiny, you haven't blow dried and flat iron your hair? Like, are you kidding? Like, what are you doing with your channels? I had to go ahead and give you all this video. Let me know if y'all want more videos like this, Little One brand tutorials, and I'm definitely going to be doing more tutorials on just my hair. Stay tuned for that. I keep looking right here because I like my makeup. As far as these products go, I definitely like them. First impression, just trying them out, I would definitely be using these again. I really like the results that I got overall. I feel that all of these products together do work like good for the greater good of having my hair to look really good, for the lack of better terms, and me just trying to freestyle my whole little video right now. I'm trying to put some of this on my hair and then I just wrap it up at night. I did go in with my Wild Growth oil just once, and I wish I wouldn't have because it had my scalp itchy again, and when I skipped using this for about a week, my scalp was not itchy at all. But I needed to put something in this part. I just like the way my hair looks when it has a little bit of oil to it. It just kind of gives it life. Otherwise I feel like it's gonna probably break off and be all like, I don't know. But anyways, I'm gonna hush up. I don't want this to be too long. Questions or comments, be sure to leave all of that down below. Let's just chat more in the comment section, girl, about whatever you want to chat about, you know? As always, I thank you all so much for watching. Bye. Also, hold on. If you're still watching, definitely click the subscribe button. If you made it this far, then you obviously don't find my channel boring. You interested in something over here. Make it easy on yourself. Somebody ring the doorbell so that you can find my other videos and come back. Like, click the subscribe button, turn on the bell. I'll talk to y'all in my next video. Bye, gotta get the door.
That's just how I'm living. Money and pretty women.